Hey, MKB Captain is here with another comparison video. Today we compare the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus with the Oppo Find X. Both have a great phone, but the Galaxy S10 Plus is more spec. So without further wasting the time, let's begin this comparison. can see the both phones have a great, but I know the Galaxy S10 Plus is much faster than the Find X. Talking about the Galaxy S10 Plus, massive 6.8-inch QHD plus screen lends itself to the S Pen 4 notes. Center punch hole embed front camera inside the display. The punch hole is 26% smaller than the S10 Plus camera hole. Silk glass back means you will want to case to avoid dropping it. No headphone jack, but micro SD card slot remain on the Plus. The best way to jot down notes, mark up screenshot and sign forms. Returning feature, we love remote camera shutter screen of memo. New Gym Max air gesture, better handwriting recognition are just okay. The octa-core CPU with the Snapdragon 855 7nm and the Exynos 9825, and this phone is come with the Android 9. The 5 camera not the best but the most fun camera to use with the normal telephoto ultra wide and deep sensing lens on a back. 12.3 megapixel main camera benefit for night mode but still basted by the Pixel 3 in low light, ultra wide and 2x zoom telephoto lens for more interesting perspective, something not on the Pixel 3. Live focus color point and new big circle portrait filter make this the best selfie camera around. More than the all-day battery life for the 4300 mAh battery capacity is the largest on the Samsung phone. 25-volt charger include for the fast charging but compatible with the 45-volt. The 12GB RAM is more than enough for desktop web browsing, 256 and 512 of internal storage. Micro SD slot for expandable storage up to 1TB. Available in 3 color: Iora Glow, Iora White and Iora Black. Prices starting from $1199 for a 4G version. For 5G version you spend $1299. So this is the comparison video. Let me know your thought in the comment which phone you most like and you want to buy, and hit the like button for more teach related videos. Subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.